The service battery charging system warning is one of the most common dashboard alerts in GM vehicles. This warning appears when your vehicle's electrical charging system encounters problems that could leave you stranded. This warning is particularly common in popular GM models, including the Silverado and Sierra trucks, Tahoe and Suburban SUVs, and Malibu sedans. The issue affects vehicles from 2007 onwards, with certain model years experiencing higher rates of occurrence. The charging system consists of four primary components working together. The alternator generates electrical power, the battery stores energy, the voltage regulator controls output, and the wiring harness connects everything together. The warning triggers when the powertrain control module detects specific voltage problems. Normal charging voltage should be between 13.8 and 14.4 volts with the engine running. The system alerts you when voltage drops below 12.6 volts or rises above 15.5 volts. Modern GM vehicles face increased challenges due to higher electronic loads from advanced infotainment systems, driver assistance features, and connectivity options. These systems place greater demands on the charging system, making proper maintenance even more critical. GM has made recent improvements to address these issues. Enhanced diagnostic protocols, introduced in 2024, provide more precise testing. Software updates help eliminate false positive warnings. These improvements are particularly important given that battery lifespan averages 4 to 6 years in standard use, or 3 to 4 years under severe conditions. Understanding this warning helps you recognize when your vehicle's charging system needs attention. Early detection and proper maintenance can prevent unexpected breakdowns and extend the life of your battery and alternator. When the service battery charging system warning appears, following a systematic diagnostic process is essential for accurate troubleshooting. Start with a visual inspection of all charging system components. Then use a professional scan tool to verify the warning and check for diagnostic trouble codes. Measure the battery voltage at rest, which should be at least 12.6 volts. Then test the voltage under load to ensure the battery can maintain proper voltage during operation. Check the alternator output voltage at various RPMs. Normal operation should show 13.8 to 14.4 volts with the engine running. Based on diagnostic data, here are the most common solutions. Alternator replacement accounts for 45% of cases, battery replacement 35%, and terminal cleaning 12%. A common issue is corroded battery terminals and ground connections. This can be resolved by cleaning the terminals thoroughly and applying dielectric grease to prevent future corrosion. Regular maintenance and testing can prevent 60% of major charging system failures. Schedule periodic battery and charging system tests, especially during seasonal changes when problems are more likely to occur.